Doey The Doughman revealed. Poppy Playtime 4. He seems nice. Is he a good character? Like, he could be really scary. I've never played this game, but I'm fascinated by the trailers. So, he looks like a nice guy. Like, what could go wrong, right? So, landscape page. Use a pencil, use an eraser, hit pause if I go too fast. So, start with his eyes, right? Head up here. And he's kind of got those big, smiley eyes that are kind of creepy, but maybe friendly. Who knows? Curving line. And then we curve across the top. Do the same over here. Curving up. Around the top. Big smiley mouth. Dear. It comes down around. And then, so like a big, so he's got like his hat on top of his head, but he's got like a big round head just coming down this way, right? No chin, really. It's kind of like just all blobs together here because he's made of dough. Okay, and then the hat kind of makes this area a bit flatter, so just like the hat like sits on top there. And this comes around for the roundy part of his hat. And then his neck, so it's kind of like bendy, sort of this way. Because it's like doughy. And like some wrinkles on it or something. And then his shoulder bumps up a bit. There. Then the other side, a bit lower down. And then like his belly is just like a big blob sort of coming down here. But the other one's arm is on top, so the arm is first on this side. And we'll avoid the fingers. Stop it down there. And his back that way. And his other arm comes out to his elbow. Well, there's no really bones here, but just like big round arms. And then he's got like hands drawn onto his body, right? So I'll draw in where all the colors are and stuff. So say we got like a bit of yellow here, and then like there's like another hand here on his belly. So we got like a thumb and then 4 fingers, no, 3 fingers. So that's like yellow in there. It seems to come down his arm and around the other side of his arm. And then there's like an orange one, so it comes over the shoulder. Down this way. 3 fingers and a thumb. Then goes around his belly and back. And then it seems to go down his arm here. So that's all orange. There's like a red hand down here, but we can just see sort of the arm part. So if you want, like, you can do these like little textures if you want to make him look like he's like oozing or a bit creepy or. And maybe I'll give him just a lip line here as well. Yeah, makes him look a bit more horror-ish. And that's it really. Doey The Doughman. That was a quick one. Hope it's helpful. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.